Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. There was a document that hit the docket today, February 20th, 2025, that for a moment made me think that Judge Stephen J. Hippler was ordering the release of some audio recordings from prior hearings to the general public at large. But in reading further, this order, it unfortunately does not seem to be the case. What he is doing is, on the state's motion, is releasing some information to the state. Let's take a look at what this is all about. This document is entitled Order Authorizing Release of Court Record Ray Audio Recordings. And it says here, the above styled matter having come before the court pursuant to a motion from the state and no objection from the defense and good cause appearing, the court hereby authorizes the release of the court records as follows. Now, before we go into the next part of this, I'd like you, as we review the records, we can get a lot of information just by reading between the lines, even when it relates to things that are under seal like these items are. Let's see what this says. It says here, it is hereby ordered that the state shall be provided with audio recordings from court proceedings held in Latah County. This would have been obviously before change of venue happened last fall and everything moved from Latah County to Ada County. On October 26th, 2023, so this is going back quite a while. What is this for? It's the motion hearing regarding defendant's motion to dismiss indictment on grounds of biased jury, closed, and motion hearing regarding defendant's motion to dismiss indictment on grounds of error in grand jury instructions. That was an open hearing. And then the January 26, 2024 motion hearing, Ray defendant's motion to reconsider the orders. Those were those two orders that just went against the defense regarding the grand jury proceedings that we just talked about. And so here they're looking for the January 26, 2024 motion hearing regarding the defendant's motion to reconsider the orders that were entered against them relative to the two grand jury matters that they were raising issue with. That was a closed hearing. And then finally, a motion hearing regarding defendant's motion to reconsider orders and scheduling conference, which was open in the above styled case. So just by way of background, Mr. Kohberger was indicted by a grand jury. A state grand jury indicted him in May of 2023. After that happened, and there was some back and forth and some debate over what the defense was entitled to receive regarding the closed grand jury proceedings, they received some documents. They filed these motions challenging what happened at closed grand jury. One, they said that there was some incorrect instructions. And then they talked about also some type of misconduct with respect to how things proceeded in the grand jury. The latter was the closed hearing. The former, the mistake part, was an open hearing. So you can go back on the record and look in 2023 and early 2024. That was the motion for Judge. We're asking you to reconsider this denial to us of these two motions that we filed, and the court denied that. You can go back to the fall of 2023, and around that time, you'll see what was going on with respect to the challenge to the grand jury indictment and also the motion for reconsideration. But we should ask ourselves, why is it that the state is asking for these materials? And second, why are they asking for them now as we are getting closer and closer to trial in this case? This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.